how to sell vintage products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, there are a lot of products in this platform, and we have a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So let's just choose one of these products just to show you an example of what you're going to learn in today's video. So I'm going to choose the first one that I saw, this one. It looks like a good ring. So here in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to create a shop page exactly like this one, how to enter the pictures of your product, how to put the price of your product, how to enter the options if you have them, like the size, and how to enter also the product details and the description, and how to set the shipping and return policies. So let's just go back to the first page. Let's close this one. Go to the main page, click on the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. And here, in order to do that, you will need to go through 6 steps. The first step is the shop preferences. Then comes naming your shop. Then stock in your shop. Then you choose how you get paid. Then you set up the billing or the payment processors. Then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm going to change the shop's currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. And here we choose a name for our store or our shop. Let's say vintage product, like that. And here, as you can see, the name is already taken, so just add a number. And as you can see, the name becomes now unique. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stock in your shop. So here you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So guys, before we proceed to add in the photos and details about the item, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. So here guys, we have 4 required fields. The first one is photos. We will need to upload at least 1 photo. Then we have the inventory. We will need to at least enter a price for the product. Then we have the listing details, and here we will need to enter or fill all of these red fields, and the same thing with the shipping as well. We will need to fill all of these red fields. So let's start from the first step, which is photos. And here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. And here let's enter the title of our product. Let's add this. Then you answer these 3 questions. who made it. You have three options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have three categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then you have the category. So here, let's choose a category from here. Let's go with vintage products. And here, let's choose the first one, plates. And then you will have some additional details to fill, like the material of the product. You can select up to 5. So let's go with the first 5. Bamboo, ceramic, cork, glass, and metal. Then you have the primary color. You can choose one in here. Let's go with brown. Secondary color, let's choose gold. Then we have the sustainability. You can choose up to 3 elements. Let's go with FSC certified wood, plastic free, recycled glass. Then you have the occasion. You can choose one in here. Same thing with holiday. You can choose one in here as well. Then you have the renewal options. You can choose the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you can choose the manual, which is free. Then you have the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Then you have the description. So guys, in order to enter a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say. Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. If you have any, you can add them in here. If not, let's just close this one. Then we have the section tags and materials. They are all optional, so let's just leave them for later. Then we have the inventory and pricing. So here, enter the price of your product. Then we proceed to the shipping. So as I said in the beginning, just make sure to fill all of these red fields. For the processing time, let's say 5 to 7 days, for example. Then the last thing is the return and exchanges policy. You can apply the 30 days one, or you can choose another one in here. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.